Hello everyone, welcome you all in grammar class. Our today's topic is simple past tense. The verb second form is used in simple past tense in affirmative sentences. Means in simple sentences we use verb second form, and in negative and interrogative sentences we use did plus verb first form. For example, he did not go home. With did we use verb first form go there. Also in interrogative sentence, did he go home? With did we use verb first form. Now take a look where we use simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to express an action completed in the past when the time of that action is mentioned. For example, she died in 1984. When the past action is not related to the present, we use simple past tense. Example is given here. Next one, sometimes for past habit that are long over, she always carried a pink umbrella. When the time is not given but it is implied and definite, I bought this pen in Bombay. Next is there when the time of action is asked for. When did you meet him? Next one, the last one is to express an action which lasted for a period of time in the past. We use simple past tense like she lived in Delhi for 10 years. Now moving to our work. Here is our classroom assignment 54. Let's discuss the exercise. First one is there. We have to rewrite the following sentences in negative when we use did. Remember to write the first form of the verb because we use verb first form with did. She sat down in an armchair. Sat is our verb second form, so we use sit here. She did not sit down in an armchair. Next one, begin is our verb second form, and when we convert this sentence into negative, we use did plus verb first form, begin. New second form, with did we use verb first form, no. Second one, B exercise, rewrite the following sentences in interrogative form. Remember, when we use did, write the verb first form. So, you heard a noise. Heard is our verb second form. So, when we convert this sentence into interrogative, we use did. You hear a noise. Next one, picked. We use did and verb first form pick. Third one, lost. Did he lose his keys? Now, moving to C exercise. Rewrite the following sentences in the affirmative. Remember, when we remove did, we have to use verb second form. First one is here. Did the servant open the door? This is our interrogative sentence. And when we convert this sentence into affirmative, we use verb second form. Open is our verb first form. Opened is verb second form. Next one, do. We use did. Next one, he did not fall. We use verb second form, fell. Next, D exercise, we have to rewrite the following sentences in simple past tense. This is our present perfect tense and we have to convert this sentence into simple past. So we use verb second form only. Next one, that this sentence relates to present continuous tense, and when we convert this sentence into simple past, we use verb second form. I practice yoga. That's our simple present tense, and when we convert this sentence into simple past, we use verb second form practiced. Next, I have been writing means this sentence relates to present perfect continuous tense, and we convert this sentence into simple past, we use verb second form. Now moving to E exercise, we have to tick the sentences which are grammatically correct and cross that the one which are not correct. Then rewrite the incorrect sentence correct. First one is there, everyone go to home. This sentence is incorrect, so we write everyone went home because we have to write simple past tense only. Second one, Mary did not went. Went is our verb second form. With did we use verb first form. So we write go here. Next one, next sentence is correct. Fourth sentence, he did not eat. With did we use verb first form only. So we write he did not eat at the place of ate. Fifth one, grandmother told it. Told it is not a form. Form is told. Tell, told, told. And the remaining three sentences are correct. Now moving to F exercise. Use correct form, negative or positive of the verb to complete the following sentences. We write, Samira lost her keys yesterday. She couldn't get into the home. Yesterday is used here, so we use verb second form here. Alok lived in Scotland for 10 years. Now he lives in London. We use verb second form here. Third one, I tried to phone Aruna this morning, but there was no answer. In the fourth sentence, we use be form. Simple past tense, we use was. Be की form को was में write करना है. I got home, verb second form. Last year, we didn't go to Darjeeling. Instead, we took part in river rafting competition in Rishikesh. Sixth one, she wrote, verb second form. She never replied, verb second form. And the last one, the hotel was very good and surprisingly it did not cost much. That's all about the exercise. If you are having any doubt, just write your doubts in comment section. And if you like the information which I given you, just click like button.